So currently my boyfriend and a friend of ours are putting up a fence in our garden, and for lunch he did say that he was gonna make salmon, but he's very busy helping, so I have a feeling that he's not gonna have time. So I'm gonna make a quiche for if he doesn't have time. If he does have time to make salmon, then we'll have the quiche in the nighttime, but if not, then it's ready, and I was gonna make it today anyway, so oh no, I just thought I'd share the recipe with you. Brownie that I made yesterday. Alexa, temporizador 40 minutos.
40 minutos, en la hora.
My glasses. I never learn, I swear to God. Look how delicious this looks. Ah, it smells so good too.